And new developments in a bizarre case surrounding the death of longtime Woodland Park grandmother.
In April, we reported how 3 first responder agencies were fighting with Carol Colby's family over life insurance money. As chief investigative reporter Eric Ross explains, the bitter battle has ended, but not the way the family had wanted.
Carol Colby had 2 clear wishes: give donations to multiple first responder agencies and have all of her debts paid off. But as we've reported, when the names listed in your will are different from who you name in your life insurance policy, it can create a legal mess.
This is where we spend every holiday, every birthday, everything.
Kelly Johnson and her family inherited their grandmother's house, but they also inherited $30,000 in debt. As an executor of her last will and testament, Kelly is responsible for the bills.
A creditor can put a claim against an estate. That executor will be ordered by a court to liquidate their assets to satisfy that debt.
Kelly took a closer look at her grandmother's finances and discovered there were 2 life insurance policies, which combined had approximately $60,000 that was going to be divided among the Northeast Teller County Fire Department, Woodland Park Police, Teller County Search and Rescue, and Woodland Park Ambulance Service, which now operates as the Ute Pass Regional Ambulance District.
I told them, first off, I know legally you don't have to do it. I'm just asking, as her granddaughter, as her family, would you please respectfully decline the money so that we can pay her debts, pay her bills, and save her house so it's not having to be sold to pay the bills.
She said she offered to donate the rest of the money after the debts were paid. The Teller County Fire Department agreed to reject the cash, but Teller County Search and Rescue had a different opinion.
This money will greatly benefit the organization, and it was specifically set aside for us to use. Yes, she doesn't want to sell the house, and you know what? She doesn't have to sell the house. She could take out a mortgage.
And that did not sit well with viewers who flooded Search and Rescue's Facebook page with negative comments. The social media page has since been deleted.
You're more worried about how much money you're going to get than helping this family.
And during last month's Woodland Park City Council meeting, members voted to keep their cut of the insurance money. Soon after, the board for the Ute Pass Regional Ambulance District voted to accept the money as well.
Everything in this house will have to be sold piece by piece by piece.
And we should point out, while all 3 agencies could have declined the money, they were legally within their rights to accept it. Her family has since set up a GoFundMe page to cover expenses related to Colby's death. You could read the backstory surrounding this case on our website, KOAA.com. In our newsroom tonight, Eric Ross, News 5 Investigates.